Alright, welcome back, Bug. So we're gonna try to recreate what we did before, both with the Lua program, and I'm gonna show you real quick how it's both convenient, but could be a little tedious, but with a little few extra learning things we're gonna do, it won't be, it'll be a lot easier. So let's see, we're gonna go to Lua. Actually, no, first we're gonna label our robot because it's really important. So if you don't label your robot and you create a program or a set of instructions and you save it and then come back to it, it could all be deleted. So you have to be really careful. So always name your robot and give it fuel before you start programming. So one, two, right? Then we're gonna refuel. You got nothing, so we're gonna give it some fuel. Let's burn it all. Cool. All right, and now we're gonna clear this up and we're gonna go into the Lua program and we're gonna do just the basic um, set of, hey, turn left and then go 2 steps forward. And you'll see that, hey, while this is almost the same as before, it's a little more tedious. So turtle. Then we're gonna do it again. Okay. And now we're in the right spot. But let's go back. And now we're in the same starting position. So we don't want to do the instructions to the robot one by one. We want to do it all in one go. So to do that, we need to be able to create a program or a file that then Lua takes, reads the instructions, it does everything for us. So let's exit out of Lua for a second. Right. Then clear everything up. And we're going to put edit and then the name of the file that we want. I already created something that says move one. So we're going to go in here. But we're just gonna do a new one. So move to, okay, and there's our program. Let's say we want to save after we've done everything we want. We would press Control, then it's selecting save, so we press Enter. Then if we want to exit out of the program, we press Control again. Then with the arrow keys, we press the right arrow to select Exit, and then press Enter, and it'll exit out of that program. So to go back into it, you go Edit, Move to, and it will take you back. Okay, now, so let's give the some instructions that we just did before, but instead of like, and it's going to be one by one, but the Lua program will read it and then do those actions. We won't have to type each one and enter and then type and enter and type and enter. So let's go ahead. So turtle, turn left, turtle, turn forward, and turtle forward. And then we're going to save. So Control, Enter for saving. So save to move to Lua. Then we're going to exit out. So press Control, then arrow, then exit. Let's check that our instructions did save. So go up, Enter. They did save. Cool. Okay. So then press Control, arrow, and exit out of that. Now, how do we call our set of instructions or our program so that Lua can run those instructions and make our robot move? We're just going to do move to, we put the name of the file or the program, then press enter, exit out of that, and see, it did everything for us. It's facing the right way. Now let's add a little bit more instructions to our robot. So let's edit it. we're gonna turn right, go 4 steps forward that way. Right, we got it all. Then we're gonna control, save, then control, arrow, exit. Let's check again that it did save correctly. Edit, move, good. Control, arrow, and then enter. And then we're gonna run our program, move to, we turned the wrong way. All right, but it's essentially the same thing. All right, so we're gonna stop here. You learned how to create a program, how to give it, put in a set of instructions that your the Lua program will follow. That way, you don't have to keep typing things in one by one. And remember always to give it fuel and set a name for it. Oh, while we're here, I should actually show you that you can set the name in the Lua program. So there it is. Then os dot set computer label, little brackets right here, bug computer, and parentheses, press enter, then clear it, then exit out, and then see, we changed the name through the Lua program.